GTR drift. And this is one of my fastest cars in Forza 5. But it is my fastest car. And yeah, but I got 36 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And there's a devastating crash in this video. I just made it and just decided to post it. I just onto a laugh ride to save myself. I'm like, I am the one! But then devastating crashes happen every time in racing. Once in a while, some people die. And that you have it. That's what happens when you do not follow the rules during racing. And unfortunately, that guy's just very dumb. Done. Bye.